Effective Node.js developers take advantage of the numerous Node.js testing and workflow tools. In particular, Mocha is the most popular testing framework for Node.js. It's also useful for testing client-side JavaScript. To install Mocha, put a dependency on Mocha version 2.2.4 in your package.json and run npm install. Let's take a look at what real Mocha tests look like. So Mocha uses behavior-driven development, or BDD for short, syntax. This means that Mocha uses these describe and it functions in place of JUnit style suites and tests. BDD style is designed to read more like stories than tests. Now Mocha does not come with its own assertion framework, so you can use whichever one you choose. There are several alternative assertion frameworks available on npm, but for the purposes of this course, the built-in Node.js assert module that you will include here is good enough. Now in order to run this test.js file, Mocha has an executable that's installed in node modules/.bin. You can use this node modules/.bin/mocha command to run the test.js file. And as you can see, all these three tests that you saw in this file all succeed. Now you may notice that this command is a little bit verbose, this node modules/.bin/mocha. In the npm run lesson, you'll learn how to make this command more concise. The Mocha executable has numerous useful features. For instance, the -g flag, which is short for --grep, allows you to run tests whose names match a certain regular expression. For instance, specifying -g fail to the Mocha executable will only run this it fails gracefully test. Similarly, specifying -g other will run only the tests that are under this myOtherFeature describe block, this particular describe call. Mocha also has the ability to use different reporters for test output. Reporters control the format that your test results are output in. By default, Mocha uses the spec reporter. However, Mocha has several other built-in reporters. For instance, the dot reporter outputs a very concise format using only dots, which is handy for situations when you have thousands of tests. There's also this XUnit format, which outputs test results in the standard XUnit XML format. Finally, my personal favorite built-in Mocha reporter is the nyuncat reporter, which outputs a happy little ASCII kitten when all your tests succeed.